This has been the best decision ever. I get to enjoy like these 200 hours like a lot, and I think it has been for me a great experience.
I was really nervous when I first started the yoga teacher training because I wasn't sure what to expect. But coming here, I feel like I found my community. I truly feel like I found my second home just in terms of the sheer number of hours I'm here, but also mentally, spiritually, emotionally. It's where I can really feel like I can be my true authentic self. So thank you.
It was really a life-transforming experience. I'm so grateful that I get to meet everyone here and I stumbled upon this community, and it was definitely something very special for me. Just like being on this journey with everyone here together, it was really a privilege and I was super grateful.
Hey, it's really life-changing for me to understanding all the philosophy about the yoga or anything we learn apply to the life. Like New York City is crazy, so we need a peace of mind.
Sonic Yoga is such an amazing and special place. The 200-hour teacher training has the best teachers in the world, totally world-class, such an amazing community.
The 200-hour teacher training for me confirmed and refined my practice. That's what I came here to do, as well as gave me a community of yogis and really inspired me with the diversity, not only in the skills of the practice, but also in our cultural backgrounds and language and everything. And we all came together at the end and we're very successful.
Hi, I came here just to deepen my practice, and I ended up knowing a lot of beautiful souls and getting so much from the teachers in this Sonic Yoga 200-hour teacher training. I came just to deepen my practice, but I'm definitely thinking about becoming a teacher.
I came here to reconnect with yoga, and I found a community. The teachers are amazing, very generous with their time and their knowledge, and I'm very thankful for that.
At Sonic, everything about this place is truly special. In the 200-hour teacher training program, I met 13 incredible peers, and I met a group of really intelligent, insightful, and amazing teachers, and I'm happy to be continuing my yoga journey here and to take what I've learned and share it with future yogis.
Hi yogis and yogis to be, I'm Claudine. I'm new to Sonic Yoga. I just joined the studio after New York City reopened, but it does have its secret weapons. I'm gonna calling out Chris Temple and Case and Jeffrey. You really should try. Thank you.
Hi, it is really hard to put into words what this program means to me. It is just life-changing. The teachers are amazing, and there's a lot of laughter, there is some crying. It is very labor-intensive, but well worth it.
Just challenge yourself, do something new, exciting, and don't stop learning.
So I just finished my 200-hour yoga teacher training at Sonic, and it really is an honor to not only be a part of this community, but to continue to learn as a member of this community in new ways. The other individuals that I just spent the last 3.5 months training alongside are some of the most beautiful, strong, inspiring individuals that I've ever met, and I'm really excited to use everything that I've learned moving forward and to teach yoga with my friends.